There we go.
For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bedford, and Somerset. High wind warning in effect from 1 a.m. Friday to 1 a.m. Saturday. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include Bedford, Blair, Cambria, and Somerset counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 1 a.m. Friday to 1 a.m. Saturday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. The strongest winds late tonight will be on the ridgetops above 2,000 feet. Maximum wind gusts are expected Friday afternoon through Friday evening. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure or shelter outdoor objects and holiday decorations prior to the onset of winds.